Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 8th of July. And first of all, national news. Need to know boundaries of three words. High Court on IT rules against fake news. No court relief for SpiceJet over 578 crore payment to Kalanidhi Maran, Kal Airways. Ajit Doval held top meet with UK counterpart over Khalistani extremist. Over 100 stranded in Uttarakhand after trolley connecting village break. PM Modi inaugurated projects worth Rs 7,600 crore in Chhattisgarh. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah attacked national education policy. He said uniform system does not suit India. Lankan President R. Vikramasinghe suggested making BIMSTEC area borderless tourism reason. Cipla recalled 6 batches of bronchospasm treatment inhalation aerosol in US. ISRO invited public to see launch of Chandrayaan 3. Now some international news. China to ban Japanese seafood over Fukushima water release plan. Zelensky to meet Turkey's Erdogan to push NATO goals discussed Green Deal. Not seeking winner-take-all competition, US Treasury Secretary in China. Philippines wrote off 1 billion farmer debt to bolster food production. Facebook altered fact-checking controls for US users. Now some sports news. Indian men's and women's cricket teams to participate in Asian Games 2023 BCCI. Tamim Iqbal took U-turn on international retirement after PM Sheikh Hasina's intervention report. Cheteshwar Pujara joined the likes of Sachin Tendulkar and Sunil Gavaskar in an elite list with his torn in the Leap Trophy. Amid doubts over PSG future, Kylian Mbappe visited father's native Cameroon. Pep Guardiola treble, Luis Enrique appointment highlight Spanish coaching impact. Now news related to business. JAPI Group's flagship firm defaults on Rs 4,044 crore loans. In mega move, Russian oil giant Rosneft appointed first Indian on its board. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited to provide VR-based safety training to workforce. Microsoft India Press Anand Maheshwari stepped down. Coup arena goes elevated. Multilateral development banks pledge up to 27 billion for India's green growth. Crypto wrap market highly volatile amid mixed signals from macro data. And that's all in news. Thank you.